Hi, good afternoon guys. Now is October 31. Ito ngayon guys ang Tancho Sangki ko ng ako'y. Especially to my good afternoon, especially to all my co-groups, Koi Lovers Philippines. Mga 3 years old na siya guys. 3 years old and 8 days, 3 years old and 8 days ng edad niya guys. Tancho Sangki siya guys. Mga 24 or 25 inches siya oh. Isang dangkal, dalawang dangkal, halos mga 3 dangkal to guys. Mga kondimbangon to mga guys, mga 2 kilo siguro. 1 kilo over or lalampas pa na 1 kilo o 2 kilo na to. If you like my vlog guys, if you like my koi guys, please comment me. And sa hindi pa nakapag-follow or sa hindi pa naka-join sa group ko sa Koi Lovers Philippines, please join my group guys. And also guys, please subscribe all my vlogs guys. And good afternoon and also an early Merry Christmas to all guys. Bye bye guys. I-release ko na to siya guys. Bye bye. Bye bye Koi Tancho Sangki. I love you. I love you. Bye bye, bye bye. Okay, Rosa. Good afternoon guys, bye bye guys. Bye bye.